welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to do a video of showing people stuff of going to that market over there. So is what we're going to start with. I'm going to start talking about people, I guess.
Well, let's show us who's in the house. Who do we got here at the house?
There's a guy in there.
Oh, we're going up here first?
Mm-hmm. There's a guy up there. Some animals right here. There's a girl right here. Her staying, there's a shark. And there's like there's some money in here.
You put money in the oven?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I put some jelly here, the refrigerator, the
freezer?
I put some bunnies up here, a dog, a girl right here, a umbrella, and then I have this mom right here. And then there's a purple balloon. I have a dad, black hair, jeans, long short sleeve shirt, baby, and like a real wrap bed, I guess. A girl that has a birthday hat on. Okay, I just put it up here. Ah! Okay,